Verb dinini o video kisah short lagi verb tamo tei English grammar eba sentence verb ni tamo important rule tong abono saiman layan. Basically verb no jeng two type ke bagaimana bawaisa faising ke main verb tei bawaisa bekago ke auxiliary verb eba helping verb fano hinimano. Omoni tei botongo haipanang asuk bisingo thanglia. Fighting ke pulan samelene verb tamo. What is verb? Verb is the heart of a sentence. Verb ka sentence ni heart. Eba sentence o verb krikanke aba meaningful maya te fulfilling maya. Every sentence must have at least one verb. Every sentence no kaisa le verb tong ni nang no. Kabang sema no piaba kuri hinpa no kaisa ma tong no. Every sentence kaisa verb. Verb means doing something or action, situation, condition, or activities. Sanata ganke verb by no sung saimano bo sentence bo bahai condition tong eba situation eba tam khlai tong bini action te bini activities ro. Example: Bukri is a good girl. Bukri khoroksa borok kaham. Ora Bukri is a good girl. Ora is obonongka verb ni present form. Aisuk is going to school. Aisuk school thangi tong. Oro is by going kainina verb. I'm talking with someone. Ang bui by kok sai tong. Oro am by talking ka kainina verb. I was busy. Ang apuru pai leya. Wasn't ka verb oro verb ni past form. They have played. Borok thengka. Borok ke have by played kainina verb. The butterfly is flying. Lali biritong oro is by flying ka verb. I can speak English. Ang English saimano. Oro can by speak kainina verb te verb ni present form tong. He has a bow. Binithani kaisa bijap tong. Oro has ka verb. I read newspaper every day. Oro read no ka verb. Nadi sing verb no tomung no sentence ni khagi ro ka ke nadi bhai sentence. I newspaper every day. Ang salbrum no newspaper. Abo meaningless ingya aban bagino nadi oro no verb important role play khayo verb ro. I read newspaper every day. Jepro sentence o read the pawo apro ka ke meaningful ngi tango. Ang salbrum no newspaper poribo. We should read within fixed time. Sing zora khazak ni bisingo no shogina naknai. Orangka should no verb. Nike verb ro kabang ma hai thousands verb tongo. Example: go, went, gone. Visit, visited, visited. See, saw, seen. Work, worked, worked. Awake, awoke, awoken. Buy, bought, bought. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Come, came, come. Keep, kept, kept. Watch, watched, watched. Wish, wished, wished. Was, washed, washed. Play, played, played. Asked, asked, asked. Allow, allowed, allowed. Accept, accepted, accepted. Agree, agreed, agreed. Admit, admitted, admitted. Burn, burned, burned. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Worry, worried, worried. Approve, probed, approved. Arrive, arrived, arrived. Appear, appeared, appeared. Apply, applied, applied. Arrange, arranged, arranged. Act, acted, acted. Know, knew, known. Lead, led, led. Leave, left, left. Make, made, made. Ring, rang, rung. Write, wrote, ridden. Rise, rose, risen. Run, rain, run. Say, said, said. see, saw, seen, sell, sold, sold, sit, sat, sat, sleep, slept, slept, speak, spoke, spoken, take, took, taken, teach, taught, taught, tell, told, told, have, had, had, has, had, had, draw, drew, drawn, do, did, done, drink, drank, drunk, meet, met, met, write, wrote, written, win, won, won, be, was, been, do, did, done. Game signal table tongo. Gyo chikon che video ang kaklay non helpful ng kanabay bro. Na video version ay tuman bagay, balay no hambay.